Hey there, fellow explorers of the marvelous world of nutrition. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean of omega-3 fatty acids, those little heroes that can potentially transform your health in just 30 days. But hold on to your hats, because we're not just here to talk about the perks. Oh no, we're also going to explore the wild world of omega-3's potential drawbacks, all while keeping it lighthearted and engaging. So buckle up, because this ride is about to get fishy, the good, the bad, and the omega-3, a 30-day adventure. Day 1. Setting sail. Ahoy, mateys! Let's start our voyage by understanding what exactly omega-3 fatty acids are and why they're the talk of the town in the world of nutrition. From their origins in the depths of the ocean to their crucial role in brain health, heart health, and beyond, we'll unravel the mysteries of these essential fats. Day 10. Riding the waves of benefits. Fast forward to day 10, and guess what? Our bodies are already starting to feel the positive effects of omega-3 supplementation. From improved mood and cognition to reduced inflammation, the benefits are like a breath of fresh sea air. But wait, there's more. We'll delve into how omega-3s can potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis, making them true superheroes of the supplement world. Day 20. Navigating the choppy waters. But hold on, sailors. It's not all smooth sailing in the world of omega-3s. Just like any adventure, there are a few bumps along the way. We'll explore the potential downsides of omega-3 supplementation, from fishy burps to concerns about mercury contamination in certain fish oil supplements. It's important to weigh the risks against the rewards, so let's dive deep into the science to separate fact from fiction. Day 30. Land ho! We've reached our destination, folks. After 30 days of exploring the highs and lows of omega-3 supplementation, it's time to take stock of our journey. Did the benefits outweigh the drawbacks? Are we ready to set sail for another 30 days? Or is it time to chart a new course? Join us as we wrap up our adventure and leave you with some final thoughts on incorporating omega-3s into your daily routine. Cast your anchor and join the conversation. Ahoy, landlubbers! As our journey comes to an end, we invite you to join the conversation. Have you tried omega-3 supplementation before? What were your experiences? Don't be shy. Drop us a comment, like, or share, and let's keep the adventure going. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a landlubber looking to dip your toes into the world of omega-3s, we hope this 30-day adventure has left you feeling informed, entertained, and ready to set sail towards better health. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.